Welcome back for another Polygon Matic price prediction analysis, and in this video I will be sharing my next price targets and also give you reasons why we can see a bit of a bounce here on the Matic chart in the next coming hours. And before I do so, show some love by first giving this video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and also check out the channel membership. And at the time of this recording, Matic is holding below the 20-day MA here on the 4-hour chart, which is now acting as resistance for us to continue gearing up. We have also continued to hold above our ascending trend line, and as long as we are holding above it and also our key area of support at around the $0.7114 mark, there are high chances that we are going to see a bit of a bounce to the upper side and see a break above resistance. We have also continued to obey the Elliot structures, where we have been seeing a bit of a breakdown move in the formation of these wave 4, in a move that has now fully maximized minimum target areas highlighted on the charts using this red target area. And since we have fully maximized the red target area, and there are high chances that we now have a low in place for the fourth wave, there are high chances that we are going to see a reaction of the target area and start gearing up impulsively in the formation of that wave 5, which is what we expect after seeing a breakdown move in the formation of this wave 4. And all this is playing out after seeing our massive crash on the 10th of June in a breakdown move that gave us a low at around the $0.52 mark. And after seeing that low, we started a very nice recovery to the upside, where we first peaked in this 1-2 setup, and afterwards we saw the formation of this wave 1, then a breakdown move in the formation of that wave 2, a wave 3, giving us a high at around the $0.89 mark, and then we have now seen our breakdown move in the formation of this wave 4, and there are high chances that soon we are going to see a reaction of the target area and see that massive impulse in the formation of that wave 5, and giving you minimum target areas for the wave 5 by connecting the trend-based Fibonacci from the low of the first wave to the high of that wave 1, then dragging the fibs to the high of that wave 3. I get a minimum target area at the fib level 0.618, and that is at around the $0.987 mark, and that is the minimum that we can expect that wave 5 to the upper side to do. And before I can open a long trade, and this is not financial advice, I need to see a break above structures here on the charts. And you can see that I have this descending trend line that I have on the charts, highlighted on the charts in white. And the moment we see a break above that trend line, then we can expect to see maybe a successful retest, maybe on the 1-hour chart, before we can continue gearing up to the next key area of resistance at around the $0.784 mark. And a break above that, we can also watch out for a successful retest before we can expect Matic to get us above the $0.8 mark. And that is what I'm keeping my eyes on here on the Matic chart on the short term. And as a result of this red target area, I'm expecting a reaction of the target area to see a bit of a bounce to the upper side in what could be the start of that impulse to the upside in the formation of that wave 5. And that fully supports my statement that there are chances that Matic can give us a bit of a bounce in the next coming hours. And also taking a look at the indicators here on the RSI, we are trading at around the 33 mark. Also taking a look at the MACD, we have been able to print a bearish cross. So let's be patient and see how that plays out, and I will be keeping you updated.